Young G, go there and I put my diamond. I need to quit.
Do not be no pineapple. Fish, no fish. The internet again. This food don't spoil everything. Yeah, nothing like that. Like I told you the oil.
What is your name?
Don't spoil everything for you.
Go close, man. At least for radio. Don't go too close.
We dey beg on her. How far my community don't
Let one person go first.
Talk.
Nothing will dey see for this river again because of the oil spillage. The oil don't spoil everything. See am, no fish since morning. See the oil everywhere. The women wey dey here na people wey dey go Pro-Wike. They no dey fit pick Pro-Wike again because the oil don't kill all the Pro-Wike wey dey on top the mangrove. Everything don't spoil. We no fit eat again. No money because now this thing now we dey use to survive as rivers people. Make government come help us for us all am here. Everything don't spoil finish because of the oil spillage. Government we dey beg on her. Make una come help us o. Make una come help us. We dey die. We dey die. Nothing. See am, see the oil. See am.
What's your name?
It's over here, glass cutlet.
I don't spell your name.
I beg.
This time we need a CP again. All our things, crude oil don't spoil and finish. For us, for them, nothing they see this time I think. Nothing come out. I beg, wait for another government. Make them go help us. Me, my children, and this is time and they carry children. Make them help us. Tell government, they see the kind of where we suffer. Since morning, I dey here. They find us and no one come. And this one where I pick, all of them don't die. So nothing. I beg, come and tell government. Make them go help us. Our children, because of this suffering, our children they go school again. Nothing. I beg, come and help us.
Make them go help us. We dey die for hunger.
You don't talk your own now.
What do you want?
My name is Osrera. You will have a kid.
Come.
We no dey sleep because of that thing where they flow. And the thing don't spoil all our water. Our inside they don't die finish. Nothing will they see people. Now hunger, our children they go school. The inside one will go try pick. And yes, one will go keep and it don't die. Now hungry with them, our children they go school. This thing now will they pick. They carry set our children go school. All for them away with they stay they cross. Nothing there for us. Everything don't die finish. Make government come effort.
If you see the river everywhere, the mangrove,
All the fish don't die.
village don't spoil them.
Don't die finish.
Crude oil don't
Tell me
spoil
your
them.
phone, they flash.
If you put a net for river, no way. All the fish don't disappear. Even crab, mosquito, nothing. If you can see them, all of them are fishermen. They are different canoe. Make gonna come government, they call government, make them come help us. Already also help us financially to clean up the spill. Since about 2 weeks ago till now, everywhere don't spoil. We they call government, make gonna come clean up. No way. Every day, the spill they spread, they go other side. If you can go down now, you see other communities. Spill don't scatter everywhere. Like the river.
Which community again?
If you can go there, we are Efoko, Krakrama, Sangama, up to Abonima, Minama, Angulama, Owoko, etc. We want government to come clean, immediate clean up.
Ajo Wesley. By the special grace of God, I'm the Buguma Youth President and the chairman of all chairmen in asari-toru local government area, youth chairman. The reason why I'm here is very simple. Close to a month now, our environment in our area is being polluted. My concern about this pollution, this oil spill pollution that is going on, is that the response from the people that manages the facility For 3 weeks, gas has been flaring. Fire has been on. No response. No quick response. Initially, it was just gas. After 3 weeks, close to a month, when they came trying to stop the gas, fire incident happened again. Up till now, as I'm talking to you, the fire is still on. As I'm also talking to you, Krakram again, fire is on. As we are speaking right now, Alakri, Wellhead, his fire is still on. So I feel these their facilities is up to date that they will come and start putting them in good conditions. This is typically equipment failure. Some people will say it's my youth, but I am saying categorically I'm in the village. I'm there in December when this incident happened. It's typically equipment failure. The equipment needs servicing.
Which company is that? Which facility is that?
The facility is OLM 18. OLM 18. But I will not, I don't really know whether it's Red Cross or any other company that is managing it. But as a community person, that facility is there. Buguma Wellhead is what they call it in their map. And as I'm speaking to you now, even our son that is in charge of energy is going around to check the facilities. This is typically equipment failure. And it has damaged a lot of things in our community. So we are pleading. Aquatic lives have been damaged. Even some of our boats that we are using to go to fishing and all that, if you look at it, there's no way to even use them again. Our water is being polluted. We don't have any source of livelihood. We are just water people. We are riverine people. That's why our mothers, our fathers go to fishing, go to Pro-Wike, go to bush to bring animals and fishes for them to sell so that they will earn a living. Even that noise that gas is making, if you are here in the morning, early hours, our elderly women, 80-something, 70-something, they are complaining. Most of them are having PP. We are pleading the government to invite the necessary agencies for JIV and all that so that they can stop this thing before we now talk of the damage. This is typically a matter of their equipment. And in trying to come to stop the gas flaying, when they came after 3 weeks, that's when the fire incident, I don't know what they did there, and the fire incident. There are a lot of casualties they are even hiding from us. We have video clips when the time comes, we will show to the whole world. Even a lot of accidents, we are even recording death. By the time we will show the world the story. So we want them to come first now. What we want, emergency response to come and stop this thing so that more harm will not be caused to the community.
My name is Terrible Osfor. Okay, Osfor. Yeah. Yeah.
So who are you?
Although I'm part of the youth body in the Iwama community, Bukuma. Yes.
So quickly, they said something happened there.
About last year, December, about a month ago, there was a split in the Wellhead, in the well, close to the Wama community. So about January 1st, 2nd, a company came. We saw barge and houseboat that came and we are not aware. So about a week ago, in my presence, I was watching the company working. They brought barge, the tugboat and the crane to calm down the split. So before I saw that during say the company resumed work around 2, after 2 in the daytime, about 5 days ago, around after 2. Before then, the company brought a barge that we are extracting oil from the ground, but that is not the case. But what I'm saying is that when the company that came to stop the split, they were working actually. I was watching at them.
Then how did the fire start?
The fire started that when the crane was dragging something from the well. I don't know what is it called because I'm not an engineer, but the crane was dragging something from the well to bring it out. What we saw was a spark. That's how came the fire. It was a spark that causes the fire.
Okay, you were there. You saw this.
I saw it.
This I saw.
I was an eyesore. I see. Eyewitness. Okay, whatever. Eyewitness.
But your people were saying something about the helicopter. You see that?
Yeah. During that December, before the company came, before the well damaged, there was a helicopter that came on Saturday. I've forgotten the date, but if I go to I will bet on Saturday the helicopter came and shot the well. That was the damage of the split. Yes, it was.
Fire was caused by.
The fire was caused by the company that was trying to put it in order.